Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make corn casserole. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Start by mixing whole kernel corn, creamed corn, eggs, melted butter, and a binder such as cornbread mix or flour. Fold in cheese and chopped peppers for flavor. Pour into the prepared dish, level the top, and bake until puffed and golden. Let rest before serving for best texture. Gather ingredients and measure them before you start baking to keep things smooth and stress-free. Use 1 can each of whole kernel corn and creamed corn, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of cornbread mix or 1 cup flour plus 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 4 tablespoons melted butter. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then add cheese, herbs, or jalapenos if you like. Mixing gently preserves some corn texture for the final bake. Bake your casserole until the center no longer jiggles and the top is lightly golden, usually 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees F. Allow a 10-minute rest to help slices hold together and to let flavors meld. Garnish with fresh herbs or extra cheese, then serve alongside roasted chicken, brisket, or a simple green salad. Leftovers keep well refrigerated for 3 to 4 days and reheat nicely in a low oven or microwave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.